Alright, we upsell a cabin filter, and I'm gonna let you guys decide if it's a good call or not. I think it's a good call. Yep, it needs it. And here is the part number, guys. KLC79 AC001. So when you install this, ooh, oh no, I thought it's my gloves. Okay, so when you install this, make sure the airflow arrow is pointing down. There you go. There, and then gently push this up. And don't forget the dampener. Hey, you're done.